Hi everyone, this is Caroline from You Are Created Beautifully. I first of all wanted to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I don't know how to get across on this video how much I appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos and also for subscribing. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I do a whole lot of stuff on this channel. It's a little bit of everything. It's kind of like I'm the woman of jack of all trades, or the Jackie of all trades. Click on the bell so that you're notified every single time I post up a new video. If you are one of my subscribers, please hit the like button. Today I'm so happy and excited because smoky eyes are my favorite makeup looks. When people tell me, I just want to look natural, like I don't want to look like I have makeup on, I'm like, what's the point, people? But I am that bold, in your face, like, what is she doing? Why she put that in her face? That's me. So today I have on the classic black smoky eye. These are good for a night out on the town, your senior dance, or you can wear them just like I am to my worship practice tonight. If you are at all curious on how I do the classic smoky eye, please continue watching. First, I am taking my NARS Creamy Concealer in medium dark caramel to prime my lids and also to clean and shape my brows. I'm using a concealer brush. Now with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm using that to set my eyelids. Today we'll be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Starting off with a large fluffy blending brush, I'm taking Silk Cream and using this as my first subtle color in my crease area. Next, I'm taking Pukey with the same brush and I'm going right on top of the Silk Cream. With the smoky eye, we need to build our colors. Same brush, I'm taking Mocha, and again, I'm placing that right in my crease area on top of all the other colors. Next, with a tapered brush, I'm going in with the color Chip. Now this is real time. I'm showing you here where and how I'm placing that dark color. I am winging the ends out. Going back in with that large fluffy blending brush, I'm using that to get rid of any harsh lines. Going back and forth, taking my time to really blend out all these colors. Next, we're going in with that tapered brush and I'm taking Chip again. I wasn't really happy with the intensity or the darkness of my crease area. So that's why I added some more back in there. Blending it out again with the large blending brush. Take your time. Now I'm going in with a medium blending brush and I'm taking Jacks and Buns and I'm mixing those two colors and adding that color above the crease area. This is a beautiful burnt orange and brown color. Taking that fluffy brush again, we are going to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Take your time. Now with the Maybelline black gel liner and a very small, precise brush, I'm adding that gel liner to my lid, making sure not to go as high into my crease area. I have one eye done here, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Taking a small blending brush, I'm going right on top of that gel liner where it ended, and I'm going to try to fade it out, going back and forth. This did take a lot of time, so don't try to rush this process. Now with the same brush, I'm going in with Mocha to continue to blend it out. If you don't take the time to blend these colors out, you will look like a raccoon, and not in a good way. Take your time, blend the colors out. Same brush, I'm going in with Chip, which is the darkest brown, and I'm continuing to get rid of the harsh line, and I'm trying now to blend the colors into my crease area so that everything looks seamlessly all blended together. With a flat shader brush, I'm going in with the black color Abyss in the palette. Now I'm paying close attention to start at my lash line and then move into the crease area, just with a tapping motion. And of course I am winging this out because I have a lot of eyelid space. Blending it out now with a medium-sized blending brush. I'm totally satisfied with all the blending and using a makeup wipe to get all that fallout. I never do my foundation before, after. Venti Espresso to carve out my face. And I'm blending it out my nose area. And I'm using again my NARS concealer from under my eyes. And I'm setting that. And my favorite bronzer is Give Me Sun by MAC. Now for the bottom of my lash line, I'm taking Jax and Chip. And I'm just going to smoke it out. I do need some gel liner for my bottom of my eye. And then Silk Cream for my brow bone. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna add some mascara. And then I'm gonna add some falsies. Now this is the finished look. And this is my attempt of trying to look cute and sexy like some other YouTubers. It's not working for me. Rah! It's just not me. All right, bye.